Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off TalkBack on Samsung S25. TalkBack is a feature for mostly for visually impaired people, and it reads your screen and basically you can swipe left or right to swipe between different items on the screen, and you can simply double tap to select the selected, actually being read in the moment item. But of course, if you've accidentally enabled it, it may be pretty annoying and pretty difficult to turn off if you don't know how to operate it. So at first I'm gonna go to the settings and turn it on manually. So let's go to accessibility, TalkBack on.
TalkBack on. Welcome to Talk.
I'm gonna turn the volume down and just finish the tutorial. Then I'm gonna go to the home screen. You can also just click on things, but of course it's mostly made for swiping. So yeah, now in order to actually go to the TalkBack, right? You should go to the settings and to do it, I think you can swipe with 2 fingers up to go to app library, then click on settings, double click on it, then I need to go back within the accessibility, right? Okay, and now swipe right or left, or just swipe with 2 fingers to scroll and find accessibility. Tap on it, then double tap on it, then tap on TalkBack, double tap on it, and then click on, double tap on it, turn off, double tap on it, and now TalkBack is off. And I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.